This video I'm gonna show you how to do a clean install of Windows 7. Now I was gonna do the full install on using a virtual machine like VMware here. But you can see I already have Windows 7. I have Windows 7 running in the background. I don't really need like 3 or 4 copies of Windows 7 going. So I'm just gonna talk you through it. It's so easy. The first thing you're gonna want to do is just boot straight from your DVD or CD or whatever it is you have. Most of them are DVDs now. Put it in, click install. It's gonna, I just gonna say install now. Just click it. Uh, a screen or two in, it's gonna ask you for the product key, which is somewhere on the box or the plastic thing that opens. Somewhere in there is gonna be a sticker with a big long code on it. Put that in, accept the license agreement, and Windows 7 is like self-installing. It's crazy easy. But a few things you might want to do is if you have a brand new hard drive, you're going to want to create a partition for the operating system to sit on by itself. And I think for Windows 7, they want you to have like 20 gigs. It only actually uses like 3 or 5 gigs, but they want you to have extra space with it. So just make it like a 20 gig partition and then pick that partition to install the operating system on. When it gets to that point, it says choose a partition, choose that one. And then once your computer's up and running, you use the other partition to store all your files and all that stuff. And if you're lucky enough to have a solid state drive, put your operating system on it, and your computer will boot crazy fast. So let's say you have a hard drive, you have Windows XP, and you bought Windows 7, but you don't want a dual boot machine. You could create a dual boot machine. You could just create another partition and throw Windows 7 on it and have Windows XP and Windows 7. But for a clean install, if you choose the partition that has Windows XP on it, you'll basically be installing Windows 7 on top of Windows XP, therefore erasing it from existence. And then just follow the step-by-step instructions. And I actually think, if I remember, Windows 7 actually has like a little thing on the screen. You can click it and uh, it'll tell you like what it's doing, or it's like a little help thing. But as these operating systems get newer and newer, they get easier and easier to install. And Windows 7 is, I mean, it is gravy. If you know how to play a CD and click a mouse and you can read, you can install Windows 7. But if you want to do a clean install and you already have like XP running, put it on the same partition that XP is on so that it overwrites it. If you want to dual boot, create another partition so you have two. And that is the short and sweet of how to do a clean install of Windows 7.